Hi everyone, it's late. I'm about to go to bed, but I need to take my hair down. I figured I would just have a chit chat with you guys about why I decided to install these Microlocs. Reason number one, I guess the main overarching reason, becoming a mother. Becoming a mum is a once in a lifetime experience. There's like before becoming a mum and after becoming a mum, and things just change. Side note, I'm spraying my hair with a bit of water. I'm also using Flora and Curl Superfruit hair oil. I have absolutely loved being a mum. I've always wanted to be a mum, and now that I am a mother, I am actually really loving the role of being a mother. But what I will say is, it does something crazy to your time and your schedule. Things may never quite be the same. That's okay, but it takes some adjustment for sure. Number two, I got inspired. One random day I was watching YouTube, and you know how recommended videos pop up in your feed because they just do. And I saw this woman with Microlocs, and something in my head just clicked. And I said, that's it. That's what I'm going to do with my hair. I had seen other YouTubers, fellow content creators with Microlocs before. I will list their names in the description box below the video. But on this particular day, it literally just clicked. Her locks were so beautiful. When I just started researching and looking into the maintenance of Microlocs and stuff, I was like, you know what, this is very, very simple. This is very straightforward. Maintenance does take time. You do need to maintain them, but that in comparison to my loose natural hair, I was like, okay, sign me up. I'm ready now. This is future me from the end of the video asking you to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to hear more about Microlocs and my Microloc journey, then definitely subscribe. Thank you. When I got pregnant, my hair grew like crazy. Growth hormones are wild. You know, people tell you, oh yeah, your hair's gonna grow in pregnancy. But I mean, for real though, my hair got longer and it got denser. And for the first time in my life, I actually thought to myself, this is actually a bit too much for me to handle. Can I actually handle this for real? And then after having my son, I realized I just don't have the time to maintain this like the way I used to. I just can't do it. I want to do it. There have been times where I really desperately want to do my hair, but just not being able to. And I think the difficulty is, it's not necessarily having no time, because I do have time as a mum. But it's just that the way it is looking after a baby, especially a newborn, and then as they get older, you get pockets of time, but you don't get a whole afternoon or evening of time free unless you have somebody that could just literally take the baby off your hands for that time. But I wasn't able to have that. My partner is absolutely brilliant, but we were just not able to do that thing of taking the baby off me for hours upon end, just so that I can go in the shower, wash my hair, deep condition my hair, hop back in the shower, come out, put leave-in conditioner in, style it, twist it all up. The process takes a couple of hours. Being like single and childless, that was very easy to do. Being grown with responsibilities, yeah, it's a whole different kettle of fish. With my Microlocs hair, I can go in the shower, wash my hair with shampoo, and because these are starter locks, I have not put conditioner on my hair since I put them in. Shampoo my hair, rinse my hair, get out, we're done. I shampoo my hair loose, but I actually then put it in plaits to dry. As you can see, I put them in plaits like this. If you want to see a full hair routine, let me know in the comment section below. Since I have pockets of time, I can take a bit of time and moisturize my hair like this, and it's not going to take me hours. The only thing that I think I find a lot more time consuming is the interlocking process, but even that can still be divided up into, if I have a half an hour here or an hour there, I can do a section and carry on and come back to it later. Whereas when I had my loose natural hair, how am I going to just like stop my wash day in the middle and then get back to it? The amount of times that wash my hair, put my hair in some like big DD plaits, put a bit of leave-in conditioner and put my hair up in like a bun, and like 2-3 weeks later still haven't done anything with my hair. That's how crazy being a new mom can be. So now with Microlocs, everything is just a lot simpler, and I'm loving it. Another thing I'm going to mention is money. It's a big topic for all of us in general, but then also cost of living and all of that stuff is hitting. One of the things that really encouraged me when I was researching into Microlocs was how to install them on yourself, and realize that, wow, okay, so I can do this. You are going to pay. You can pay one of two ways. You can pay with time or you can pay with money. I decided to pay with time. The Microlocs installation can cost you a couple of £100 at least in the UK it does. Personally, I did not have like £500-600 just sitting around. If you've got that kind of money and you can afford to get somebody to install it, absolutely do it. It's worth it, especially if you want your grid to be a particular way. So the pattern of how your microlocks are laid out. For me, I watched a lot of Kiki J and a lot of other people. I know how I'm happy with my hair. I'm just gonna install it myself. The whole process took over a month. I started, I think, on the 28th or the 29th of December 2022, and I didn't finish until I think the 3rd of February 2023. It took me over a month, but I did it. Now, retying your hair doesn't cost as much as that. The maintenance is not as expensive as that. I think that's more affordable, and at some point in the future I may well go to a loctician to have my hair interlocked, but until then I can actually maintain it myself at home. Another reason why: ease and simplicity. My life is so much simpler now that I have microlocks. Once my hair is moisturized, when I wake up in the morning, my hair is just ready to go. If I want to zhuzh it up a bit, get my spray bottle, spray it a bit, just to kind of revive it a bit, you know. I could roll with either my center part in or side part in. I purposely put a side part on either side so I can wear it on either side if I want to, and just go. And as long as you don't retwist or retie your hair too often, it is essentially a very low manipulation style. Once your microlocks are installed, you do not have to reinstall them. I had to do some retwisting on some of my ends because some of them unraveled. That's just part of the process, but it's definitely low manipulation. So if you're a low maintenance kind of person, then this would be a great style for you. One more thing I will add: if you do not like to use too many hair products, this is a great style for you. I only use water and oil to moisturize my hair. I have shampoo that I use. Apart from that, what do I use in my hair? Nothing really. A lot of people who have microlocks actually say up until about a year in, they didn't even like use leave-in conditioner. Of course, everybody's hair is different, but you don't need a lot of products, especially in the early stage where you're actually trying to get your hair to lock. This has been all of the reasons why I decided to install over 500 microlocks in my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have microlocks, let me know in the comment section below why you decided to install yours. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the thumbs up button below. This has been Mary from the Curly Closet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon in another video. Take care. Bye.